Hey everybody, it's Dave here for Classic Chrome. We're here at the 10th annual Hockessin Car Show, formerly known as the Greenville Car Show, being held right here at the Hockessin United Methodist Church. And right now we're just kind of praying for no rain, and we're hoping that this turns out to be a great event. Looks like they got a lot of cars here, so let's take a look at them.
From a Screaming Eagle to a Volkswagen Beetle, and everything in between, the 10th annual Hockessin Car Show had plenty of cars and trucks for all to enjoy, including these models that are indeed a rarity to see, such as this 1956 Lincoln Mark II, dressed in presidential black lacquer paint with a beautiful gray and white leather interior. This Mark II is powered by the standard 368 cubic inch V8 engine that delivers 285 horsepower. Only 2,417 Mark IIs were produced in 1956. This is a beautiful example of a rare and desirable automobile. If that's not rare enough for you, how about this? A 1911 Stanley Steamer. This car literally runs on pressurized steam from water that is heated up by vaporized kerosene. Fill up the 28-gallon tank with water, wait about 20 minutes for it to boil, and enjoy a 35 to 45 mile long road trip. Stanley produced these cars from 1902 until 1924. Among the 10 to 11,000 units produced in that time, only 500 to 600 cars are still known to be in existence today. Many of those cars are in museums, which makes this an extremely rare treat to behold. Love muscle cars? Who doesn't? There were plenty here, including this 1967 Pontiac GTO. Along with the standard 400 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, this car was loaded, with options including power steering, power brakes, and even air conditioning. Because if you're driving a GTO with 335 horsepower, you not only want to look cool, you want to feel cool as well. But if you like it hot, how about the performance of a 440 Magnum V8 engine delivering 375 horsepower? This beautiful red and white 1967 Dodge Coronet RT was a proud representative of the Mopar heritage. 10,109 Coronet RTs were produced that year, with only 628 of them being convertibles. But once behind the wheel, all thoughts turned to just firing up that 440 Magnum and just cruising down the highway.
Hey, we had a great time here at the 10th annual Hockessin Car Show. We're going to be featuring some of these cars in the upcoming episodes of Classic Chrome with Dave. And now, if you don't mind, I'm going to get back in my car and head on out of here. Hope to see you at the next one. Remember, I'm Dave. Peace, and keep the classics alive.